Can give a heading. Achha. Just write over there acceleration. Okay. Written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Achha. Now, basically, it is the change of velocity in time. That means, suppose you started a journey at 10 a.m. Okay. You started a journey at 10 a.m. Okay. And your speed was 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. Here, just try to understand the concept. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And after 1 hour, that means at 11 a.m. Okay. This was your initial speed, and after 1 hour, your speed has been increased. Okay. It has increased, and right now it is 40 kilometer per hour. Clear? Sorry, 50 kilometer per hour. The initial was 40, the final was 50. Clear? Basically,
Yes, ma'am.
the change of this velocity or change of this speed, okay, that is the acceleration. Change of this velocity, because acceleration, it includes the direction. Okay, that's why we are not going to say change of speed, change of velocity, because it includes the direction also. Okay, now look, change within this 1 hour, the change is what? 10 kilometer per hour.
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
In how many times? 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. That is called the acceleration, the change of velocity in with respect to time. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now just you have to write. Now you have to write. Just write acceleration. You have already written. Now that write change of velocity. Change of by time with respect to time. Clear though? I think now it is clear, as I have put the example, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is acceleration. Okay, that means overall whole duration, whole journey, in the whole journey, the basically the change of velocity with respect to a certain time. Okay, acha, all of you mute yourself. With respect to a certain time, that is known as acceleration. Just write it. Acha, you have written this. Now write in as a statement. Okay, the rate of, acha, I'll remove this page. You have written though.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just write it in a statement form. The rate of change of velocity is known as
The rate of change of velocity.
Yes, ma'am.
as I have written rate of change of velocity, that means with respect to time. No need to put the time. In time again, no need to put. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, known as acceleration. Acha, acceleration is always positive. Now I will explain why. There is one more thing, retardation, that is negative. Okay, that is also change of velocity in time. But the difference between acceleration and retardation, I will say. Now just look. Acha, you have written up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, after that you will write. After that, I am rubbing the board as there is no space. In your copy, after this line, you will write. Huh? Look, that means let the initial, acha, INI, huh? Initial speed or velocity velocity of an object
Initial velocity.
or initial speed you can write, okay? As in it includes the direction, that's why velocity, huh? Even it is not written properly, okay? Velocity, huh? Of an object, let the initial velocity of an object be u, okay? I am not putting any unit, okay? Basically it will be, if SI unit we have to put meter per second, just write u, okay? And if the final, that's I have given the example now, 40 kilometer per hour and 50 kilometer per hour, that one, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And final velocity v, okay, it is also suppose meter per second, huh? Acha. And time taken t, okay? T in bracket you can write seconds. Clear? Up to this clear? So that
Yes.
example part, just remember about that example part. 40 kilometer per hour, 50 kilometer per hour, and time taken 1 hour. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
acha, now
Yes.
that means what will be the acceleration? I told you the change 50 minus 40, that change 10 kilometer per hour by the time 1 hour. Yes, so here
Yes.
also we'll put the same thing. Acha, up to this you have written, so I'll clear the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Acha, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
T second.
Yes, ma'am.
Time is T second.
T in bracket just write second, okay? I'm putting the unit,
Okay, ma'am.
okay? Acha, now look. That means acceleration, acha, which is denoted by E. I told you, to.
Ma'am, what?
Sorry. Even I have gone mad. A, not E, huh? Acceleration.
Acceleration is denoted by A.
Acha, now acceleration, I am writing the whole word, huh? Acceleration is equal to basically then change of velocity. That means we can write final minus initial by t, final minus initial by t by time.
T.
Yes or no? This one is clear to
Yes,
all
ma'am.
of you, so?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, I can't understand.
The same thing. That example part, look, I told you now. Change of velocity. Change of velocity means suppose initial is u and final velocity is v. Then what
V.
will be the change? Final minus initial, no?
Yes,
Suppose
ma'am,
at
yes.
first you started 40 kilometer, then 50. Then what is the
50.
change? They are difference, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
it is clear.
10.
Yes, ma'am.
Just note it down, make a box over there. Okay, acceleration is equal to v minus u by t.
U means that, ma'am.
You mean
Unit.
initial? No,
Initial.
not unit. Initial velocity. Acha, you can also
Initial.
We
put
can-
in this way. Look, A is equal to v minus u by t, where A is the acceleration is denoted by
Acceleration is
exactly. Acha, you can also write, ma'am, why we'll take u? It is velocity. So you can
Yes.
also write initial v1, final v2. Okay. Then you will write v2 minus v1. Clear though?
yes, ma'am.
By
Yes,
t.
ma'am.
You can also write that. But basically, what you write, you have to mention that portion. That we are taking v1 as initial, v2 as final velocity. Clear though?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now tomorrow I am not going to say, ma'am, acceleration we have not understood. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Basically just
Okay.
remember two things. Change of velocity with respect to a certain time. Suppose in 2 hours, the change of velocity is 15 kilometer. Okay, just remember, that's why I have given the example. It will be very much easy for you to remember. Just remember 40 kilometer per hour or meter per second, whatever you want the unit. Okay, and suppose initial this one, final is this. Then just the difference change with respect to time. That means in how many hours or how many minutes this change has been done. Clear to?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Acha, now what is retardation? Acha, you have written to write again. A is equal to V minus U by T. Write it again. Now, look, I told you acceleration is positive, always positive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, suppose you can, no one asked me that, ma'am, always final velocity is greater than initial. Is it possible? Initial, I told you na that 40 kilometer per hour and final 50 kilometer per hour. I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, but it may happen that initial velocity is greater, but final has become 30 kilometer per hour.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
we
It can be happen.
Exactly. That is called retardation. Basically, in that case, this one is negative. Look, V to final, U to initial. Then
Yes,
final
ma'am.
is less than initial. That means ultimately this one will be negative. Na? In that case, that is called retardation. Clear to?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now you will
Retardation.
write one. Acha, just I'll make you write. Don't worry. Let me clear this part. Acha, now just note one point. When V is greater than U, that means final greater than initial, right? So what we can write? If this one greater than this, then we can write it is acceleration, right? It is acceleration.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now note one more point. I'm writing to this side. Huh?
Sir,
Yes.
ma'am, initial সালে initial the V এর চেয়ে বেশিও হতে পারে তো।
Ah,
Exactly. That is, in that case, retardation will happen. Huh?
Okay.
Now what to write? This one first point. Point number 1. Point number 2. When U greater than, look, I am writing initial greater than final, right? Yes or no? We have written
yes,
in
ma'am.
initial
Yes, ma'am.
greater than final. That means it is called
Retardation.
retardation. Exactly.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes.
retardation. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, it is also known as negative acceleration. Huh? Negative acceleration. Even yesterday I told you one more name, deceleration. Na?
Ma'am, what?
No, ma'am.
D-E-C-E-L-E. Acha, just I'm writing. Na?
Yes,
Deceleration.
ma'am.
Now, retardation. Then the another name of retardation. What is it?
Deceleration. Negative acceleration as well as deceleration. Okay.
Okay.
You can also write in bracket the another name, negative acceleration, and DECELERATION. DECELERATION.
Another name of what? Retardation.
Retardation, yes. Suppose in the question it is not given retardation, the word is not given. Then you will get confused. Ma'am, it is given negative acceleration. What is negative acceleration? We don't know. Right?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Achha,
very.
so write the another name also. Now this one is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Achha, now just give a heading. Relation between velocity and acceleration. Okay, we'll find from this only. I am just clearing the board. You can give heading relation for acceleration. Relation for acceleration. Now what will be the relation? Basically the formula. You have got it A is equal to V minus U by T. So just take T to this side. Then it will be A into T. AT is equal to V minus U. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay, now just take this U to this left side. That means it
Plus
will be
minus.
U plus 80. No, when it will go to the other side, the minus sign
It
will
will
be
be plus, minus will be changed into plus.
Exactly. That means V is equal to U plus 80. That is the relation between this velocity and acceleration. Okay.
Yes.
This is also velocity actually. This is initial, this is final. Just note it down, huh?
I'm writing from
When we'll solve some problem-based question, then this formula, we have to apply this formula, okay? Suppose in the question it is given, the first example, consider the first example. The initial speed of a car is 40 km per hour. And after 1 year, the final speed has become 50 km per hour. Then all the thing I have, find the acceleration. Suppose it is given. At first write this, then I am coming to the question. This one is done too.
yes, ma'am.
All of you written?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Just
ma'am.
make a box. Make a box. Okay. Now look, suppose the question is given. Write a question. The velocity of a body, the velocity of an object, the velocity, this is velocity, huh? Of an object
Velocity of an object
increases at a
increases.
constant rate. A constant rate means nothing. Basically, the increasing per hour is same, okay? At a
Constant rate.
constant rate of change. Rate from, right from 30 meter per second to 50 meter per second, right? 30 meter per second to 50 meter per second. At first write the question, then I'll make you understand, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In 10 seconds. Okay, find the
Yes, ma'am.
acceleration. Find the acceleration. If you have written, then just tell me. I'll start to
What?
making you understand.
Yes.
All of you, just write it first. I am waiting.
As a writing completed.
Learning
The
completed, ma'am.
question writing completed. So now just look. The velocity of an object, look at this, the velocity of an object increases at a constant rate. That means, look, it has been increased from 30 meter per second
Into 50 meter.
50 meter. That means this is the initial 30 and this is final. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In how many times? In 10 seconds. This is the time. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
ma'am.
Now find the acceleration. Okay, now I am just clearing the board. Look, we know the formula that AT plus EU is equal to V.
V minus U, initial.
Basically, actually, EA is equal to what? V minus U by T. From
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
we have got this, no? So directly you can put in this formula. Look, V, you have to put 50 minus U
30.
30. Acha, the formula for velocity is what? Meter per second is given over there.
Yes,
Whole
ma'am.
by time. Time is given 10 seconds.
Yes, ma'am. 10.
Clear?
Yes.
Now just
Yes, ma'am.
do the calculation. It will be 20, 20 by 10.
M will be 2.
2.
Acha, what will be the unit?
Meter per second.
Be
Meter per
careful, meter per
Meter per second.
meter
Second.
per second. Sure. That means in the last class I told you, I make you understand that why there are two. The unit of second time is 2 times in the acceleration. Gadha, it will be meter per second square.
per second square.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. It is unit of velocity means so unit of acceleration is meter per second
Meter
square.
per, look
Yes.
here. Look, I have written meter per second, and here 1 second is also there. So ultimately meter per second squared. No.
Yes, ma'am. There are 2 seconds, 10 seconds, and that.
Okay, now it is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Acha, I am giving you one more question. You can solve it yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
This type of question.
This type of question. Look, a particle thrown. So let me think, thrown upwards. Okay, with write it. I am just writing, a particle.
Yes,
Thrown vertically upwards. That means vertically upwards means what? Can you say? You are weak in English even, no?
ma'am, vertically upward means straight line in ups.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
In like that in math, vertically opposite angle.
Acha, right. With acha, it is showing that running out time. What is
Yes,
the time?
ma'am.
Can you say?
11:35.
11:35. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can carry on, no problem.
Acha, wait.
Yes,
At least complete this one. Okay.
Yes,
Acha,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
with an initial velocity
Meter
50 meter per second
per second
and comes
comes.
to a stop. Now, what does it mean? Stop means what will be the velocity? The final velocity means it stopped. That means 0. Okay, it is not mentioned over there. It will be 0 meter per second. Clear? So I am not writing over there. Even in the question, it will not mention. It will not be mentioned. When
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is
Ma'am,
written stop.
Ma'am, I couldn't understand this one. Comes to a stop means it is stopping
means-
in the air or coming towards ground and
in the air. Okay, look, when you throw for a certain time, certain second, it stops, then again it started
Yes.
to move backward, right?
downwards.
Downward.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am. Due
That
to
stop-
due
Gravity. What is this?
Yes,
I
ma'am, due
am
to
not.
gravity.
Acha, okay. Now in the time is given in 5 seconds. Okay. Acha, if I am asking find the acceleration, the question will be actually proper or not. Here it will be find the retardation, right? Because the initial has become 0. Look, if final has become
ma'am.
0. Initial is greater than final, na? All of you
Yes.
understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So, acha,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
here the twist is actually to a stop. The final velocity is not mentioned. You will write the final velocity v is equal to 0 meter per second. Clear? So, when you start, acha, you have written the
Yes.
question. You have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Written.
Now
Yes.
here initial u is 50 meter per second, v 0, and time t is 5. So you can find retardation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do it. In place of acceleration, just you will write retardation is equal to, and listen, it will be, the answer will be negative. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Minus.
And
Yes,
The
ma'am. Because the
calculation.
You can solve it yourself or I have to show it.
Yes, ma'am. We can solve
No,
it.
no, show now one step.
But
And can you show? Because it is
yes,
in
yes,
negative,
yes,
so that's
yes.
why.
Can you so?
Okay, now just look. Write initial. I am not writing the whole word. Huh? Initial velocity, that is in bracket, mention it, denoted by u. That is given 50 meter per second.
Second.
Okay. Now final denoted by v. It is
Zero.
exactly 0 meter per second. Okay. Now just directly you will write retardation. Okay.
T minus 0 by 5.
Exactly. 50 minus 0 or 0 minus 15. Final minus initial na? 0 minus
Yes, ma'am. 0 minus
0
50.
minus 50
Minus 50.
Understood.
Minus 10.
by 5. Acha, here I have
Five.
not written the time. Huh? You will also mention time. That is t is equal to 5 seconds. Also mention that. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Answer will
look,
be
here you
minus
will put meter per second. Here you will put second. At the final answer, in the final answer, you will write meter per second square. Okay. Acha, it is minus
Yes,
50 by 5. That means minus 10 meter
Meter
per
per
second.
square.
square.
Meter per second square.
Per
Exactly.
second
Now,
square.
it is clear though?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Acha, okay. Chalo, I have the next class also. Huh?
Yes,
Just let
ma'am.
me
We
check the
also
attendance.
have the next class.